Hi all, a very good morning. Yeah, today we are going to discussing about giveaway option. In our last session, we have discussed about giveaway, right? So that we are going to discussing now. I will tell you what is the process for that and rules and regulations for this, how to participate it also. Before that, if you are watching our channel very first time, like it, share it, and subscribe it. So if you do like this, you will get a future notifications. If any of your friends also don't know about this our channel, so please inform to them. So now we will go and see what is this. Yeah, in our first of all, very thank you to all guys because of we have crossed 5,000 subscribers, 5k subscribers. Because of all your support only we have reached this milestone. So first I am very happy to say thank you all guys for this. Okay, now for this, what is the rule is for this? So I am going to giving 100 free designs, computer embroidery free designs to 20 members. In our last live session, few of the guys has given a suggestion to give away to celebrate our 5,000 subscribers. So we have planned that also. So now for that we are giving 100 free designs for 20 members. So let's see how to do that. And that too, this plan is announced in the time of Vijayadashmi time. So the lucky dip also will be announced on Vijayadashmi day, means 25th of this October, means nothing but Sunday evening 6 to 7 p.m. we have a live session on this. We will give a lucky dip. So for the and we'll announce winners by on the spot itself, live session itself. Why I made on that day is because it's Vijayadashmi, so I want to make it some memorable days of this giveaway giveaway, because this is my first giveaway. So if it is keep it on a festival day, it's a memorable day for me, because for first of all 5,000 subscribers itself is a milestone for me, because in our embroidery classes or training centers like that. Even while sending these 100 designs to you, even I will send design images also to you, not only the designs. So using these images you can show to your customers very easily, and on the top of that you have a number, right? Using that number we can identify easily that design. This Geetika collections is user friendly nature. So we will try to give as comfort as you feel. So for using these 100 design images, you can share to your customers very easily, and even you can identify very easily. This is helpful to you only. Now what is the process to win these 100 designs is one designs and rules and regulations for this, and how to participate this and all is we will discuss now. So before that, if you are not subscribed our channel, then subscribe it first, and then you will start participating in this opportunity to win 100 designs for 100 and computer embroidery designs for 20 members. Yeah, how many members we can make a subscribe to this Geetika Collections channels? You have the chance to get a win. See, to get this minimum 10 members, you need to make a subscriber our channel, and maximum is as your wish. But I will take a first 50 members from the count base. Suppose the person A has done a 20 subscribers, person B has done a 60 subscribers, person C has done a 70. So then first priority to the 70, the next priority to 60. So I will take like this for the first 50 members. And out of that 50, I will give I will take a lucky dip in the live session with you guys. So from out of that I will give you 20 members, I will do lucky dip. So the 20 members I will share these 100 designs for that. So now how to do this and all, let's see. So the subscription details and all, you have to send me the screen. The mobile number has shown in the bottom right, 8610347626. So you need to forward with the email ID of the before subscribed and after subscribed description. I will show you here how to see that. Just you search with the Google in a YouTube channel with the Geetika collection, so you will get an image like this. See, first this is not a unsubscribed user, so it will be like this. So if you click on the subscribe, it will see the image like this subscribe. So what you have to do is take a snapshot of before subscribe, and after subscribe. So send me these two images to me with your respect to email ID. I mean whoever there is the subscribed email ID by your reference. So if you shared me that, it will go to your account. So do like this. That mail ID who has subscribed our channel, that mail ID you need to forward me. So if you do like this, if more than 10 subscribers if you made it, then you are eligible for lucky dip. But the thing again, you remember who are the first priority to is from the top to bottom, like highest to lowest we will give it. So because it's very difficult to note down all the all the things, right? So for that we are giving priority to from the top to, but we are announcing 20 winners. Count is 20 count. Lucky dip will be taken on the 25th October Sunday, that Vijay Dasmi special day on that day. So evening 6 to 7 we will start, we will in the live session we will take this lucky dip, and the time limit to send your images or snapshots to me is Sunday morning until 10 a.m. So because after that I will list it on all this, and in meanwhile I will see who are sending me that also. So but you have to remember that you should send these images to the bottom as the number is scrolling, right? That number 8610347626. Who are sending the images to this number only, it will be valid. You should not forward to our regular number called 744-836-4987. You should not forward to this. Again, remember this. You should not forward these images to 744-836-4987. So if you do like this, you will get a chance to win 100 designs. 100 designs. So the aim of this giveaway is to reach the maximum computer embroidery persons who don't know about little things, not a educated person, not like that, who has all the persons may doesn't know all the things. Even I also don't know all the things. This I have to accept it, because if I'm whatever the ideas, ideologies or thoughts, whatever I'm trying to say, it may try to reach many of the guys, so they will try to improve their business. So in the same way, even I will accept some of the guys will give me a suggestions to me, so I will accept that also. To do this process is you have to send me your snapshots before subscribe and after subscribe with the image with your email ID is to send it to 8610347626. This was already scrolling in it down, so please again remember this number 8610347626. Please forward to this number only of these images. So if our regular number is 8744-836-4987, don't send to this. If anyone has forwarded to this number, it will be consider because this number is with here who are working with me. This number always be with those in their guys. So you cannot get a chance to it, because it will be sometimes it will missed. So but this personal number 8610347626 is always with me, so I can notice who are sending that every time. So please try to forward this number only. It's a humble request you, because don't forward to 744-836-4987. Priority will be given to who has made it more subscribers. For them only it's a priority. So please remember this. If you have done a 50 member, then you will be the first priority to. If you make it a 30, then it will priority to, because it will come from the top to bottom. So please consider that. And again, once again I am requesting, please send the images to 8610347626 number. So if you need any clarifications or doubts on this giveaway offer, let me discuss with you on WhatsApp number. So I will try to help you all the things. So I am requesting all guys, you participate in this giveaway offer, and you get a chance to win this 100 designs free. And all the best for you all the guys. For the dip, I will pick 50 members from the highest. So those 50 I will announce 20 on the live session itself. So within next 2 hours I will send the designs to all the guys. I will mail you. So now I will arrange the latest 100 designs for you within it now today and tomorrow. I will plan it, and I will try to share you guys before lucky dip itself. You may get an interest to work with that. So all the persons can participate. So whoever not subscribed, so first whoever not yet subscribed, you subscribe it and you participate in this. So you will get a chance to win 100 designs. And one more thing I am giving for this Vijay Dasmi Navaratri special. So from today onwards, because we will sell all the good quality materials and all, right, to all our subscribers. So whoever bought more than 1,000 rupees, we have planned for we have 2 Lakshmi idol embroidery designs. So in out of that we can pick anyone. So we will give you as a free for that for that whoever ordered more than 1,000 rupees for within this week. Means for today is whoever made orders between 19th October to 25th October. So you can pick any of the two ideals. Now I will show you the two ideals also, whatever I have with me right now. I will show you that. We can pick any one from that. This also few of our subscribers has requested personally, ma'am, please give some offers for this disc for Vijay Jasmine like that. So we have planned this now. So whoever make a order for more than 1000 rupees, so you will get those two free. You will get any one of that Lakshmi idol embroidery design. See, now I am showing this. This is a one of that idol we have that. This is another one. So I am making a big. So this is another one. So out of these two we can pick any one, so we will forward you that on the spot with your email, to your given email ID. But the thing is, you have to make it a 1000 rupees order for that to get this any one of the idol as a free, because you, all my existing customers, they know how we will make parcels and couriers and all, right? So you will get this idol as a free idol. So I am requesting all guys, try to use this opportunity as you can. So you can pick any of that, not only one. You can pick any of the one from those two designs. So both offers are different. One giveaway is giveaway offer. This Vijayadashmi material offer is another offer. So don't combine two. Guys, both are participate in the both offers of both events, and you get a chance to win 100 designs as a free. Once again, I am requesting guys to send a for giveaway images. Please forward to 8610347626. It was displaying on the bottom side. So please forward to this number only. Don't forward to 744836497. So we will not consider for whoever forwarding to this number. So I am expecting all you guys are participating in this giveaway opportunity. So all the best to win, get a chance to win 100 free designs. And thanks for watching our video. If you like it, share it and subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you.